Hello guys, this is your CEO Mike and welcome here at Halong Bay in Halong. Okay? This one. Dito kami sa Halong Yacht with BP Lovely and hello BP. Kaway kaway. Right.
Enjoy the scenery.
So napakaganda dito guys, tingnan niyo. Dami nilang mga mountain na stone. Sobrang dami. Tingnan mo, nakapalibot. Oh. 'Di ba? Right. So napakaganda rito. This is part of Vietnam. So marami rin po ang nagko-cruise ship dito. Ayan, dami rin sila. Okay. Yes, hello guys, balik tayo dito with our team. Alam kong kaya nyo tong i-hit. Napakadali lang nito. Kasamahan ko rito yung mga anak ng mga mayayaman to eh. So thank you very much sa Diyos ang kapurihan. And pagbalik namin ng Pilipinas, excited kami na humataw, lalo na December na ngayon. Although marami tayong mga events, but sabay-sabay natin gawin yung ating event at the same time business. Okay? Dahil 2026 is your time to shine. Okay, God bless us all. This is your CEO Mike. Mabuhay SFI. Mayaman ka sa 2026.